This JMP demonstration shows how to build a generalized linear mixed model. We are using the student testing data from JMP sample data folder. A generalized linear mixed model uses a non-normal response distribution and includes both fixed and random effects. Here we'll model the effect of education program on the binary response variable grade. And because we have multiple observations per classroom and multiple classrooms per school, we'll have random effects for both class and school. Start by going to Analyze, Fit Model. Select Generalized Linear Mixed Model from the Personality drop-down menu. Next, specify grade as the Y variable. You can use the Distribution drop-down menu to specify the response distribution. JMP defaults to binomial here because grade has two levels, pass and fail. Next, use the Construct Model Effects section to specify the fixed and random effects. Under Fixed Effects, specify the effect of Program by selecting Program in the Columns list and clicking Add. Then switch to the Random Effects tab to specify random effects of both school and class. Note that class is nested inside school. To specify that nesting relationship, select Class in the Random Effects list and School in the Columns list, and then click Nest. We won't use the Repeated Structure tab here, but note that you can use that tab to specify repeated measure covariance structures. Click Run to fit the model. By default, JMP displays a model summary, fit statistics, and tables of results for both the fixed and random effects. Looking at the fixed effects parameter estimates, we can see that the effect of program is not statistically significant. Looking at the random effects covariance parameter estimates, we find statistically significant class-to-class variability, but not school-to-school variability. The random coefficient estimates for both school and class are available in the Random Coefficients section. And further outputs, including interactive model profilers, are available under the red triangle menu above the Fit Statistics table.